Welcome back again to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a plain background like this into something like this. Okay, so today I'm just going to show you a new light that I bought from Newer. It's actually an LED panel with some RGB functionality. So here we go. Let's unbox this package. So this is how the light panel looks like, with a frame and a light stand mount, and you can adjust the tilt, and I'll show you shortly. Okay, it just comes with a bag, pretty neat. Okay, so here it is, the light itself. It's actually quite a small and compact light, so pretty convenient to move around. And it does come with a bundle. What's a bundle? A bundle is 4 pieces of metal where you can open it up like this. And basically what it does is to control the light direction. As you open it up, it spreads out more, and you close it further down, it's more focused at the center, the point of the light that you want it to be at. Power adapter and power cord, and that's about it. The back is pretty handy with some extra compartment. Okay, let's test the light out first, shall we? So as you can see, I already have the light panel set it up with the light stand on my right here. It is actually very bright for a panel of this size. There's 2 ways that you can control it. One is via the back panel. The other way that you can connect it is using the Newer app, where they actually provided you a QR code for both iOS and Android. The control of the app is pretty intuitive and easy to use. As you can see, I can adjust the brightness level here. It's getting very bright. So yeah, back to something more bearable for this video. And you can also adjust the temperature, something more warm, right? Or something more cool. Okay, and you can adjust the color as well. It will cycle around this color circle. You can at any point stop at any color that you want. In fact, there is actually a color spectrum here where you can just point at any color that you want. And then obviously you can also increase the saturation of a particular red. This is the most red that you can get. And then when you reduce the saturation, right, become lighter red. So for now, in the app, there's only 3 effects, which is this blinking light, and then there's this cycle RGB light, and another one would be the plain flash light. So by now you should be able to tell how did I change the color of the background earlier in this video, and I'm just going to show you how to do it right now. As you can see here at the back of my chair, I just use a Gorilla Pod to support the light stand and facing it back towards the background. You can use a shorter light stand as well, but I don't have it with me, so yeah, be creative about it. All you gotta do is place the RGB panel and face the background, and it will reflect back all the colors back into the video that you are making. So that is all I want to share with you guys in this video. Just a simple unboxing and testing of the new RGB LED panel that I just bought. There are plenty of ways for you to be creative about it, and this is one of the ways. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!